This is now our last leg, if I can put it that way, of this golden medal ceremonies. And from my side, I want to say thank you to all the recipients and their loved ones and their families, because they supported the recipients to could have delivered exceptional services for 40 years and more. So I became aware of the hard work, the dedication, and the integrity of our employees serving so many years in the Department of Correctional Services. And as I've mentioned, it's not only service to the Department of Correctional Services, but it is actually service to the people of South Africa, protecting them against criminals. Therefore, I want to say that I also know that they will wear their medals with pride. It's a physical, visual symbol of their own integrity and hard work. And it is setting an example to each and every other employee in correctional services. Countrywide, there are 187 recipients of the gold medal. I have awarded physically 136 of them. The other people will receive their medals as well. So, in short, I want to say thank you for your service to the people of South Africa.
We came from 1983, myself, up to 2026. From punishment to restoration, a journey of transformation. We stand today in 2026 at a unique vantage point, looking back over decades of profound change. To understand where we are, we must remember where we began in the shadows of 1983. I joined the department 7 December 1983. My fellow veterans here, receiving 40 years service medals today, also joined 83, 84, 85, 86. My first salary, basic salary, was around about 365 Rand a month. We have redefined the purpose of incarceration in South Africa. While challenges like overcrowding remain, our focus is clear. We do not just punish, we rehabilitate, we protect, and we restore. Let us continue to build a correctional system that all South Africans can be proud of, a system that proves change is not just possible, but inevitable. We as a 40-year veterans would like to thank each and every person who acknowledges us today, and mostly appreciate the Minister of Correctional Services, the National Commissioner, for hosting this medal ceremony, and we indeed feel so special. As we are departing this journey at the end of the month, some of us, we exit with our hearts full of grace and appreciation to everybody who has been part of our journey. We are leaving the baton to the young officials who need to take this baton and run with it until they reach their 40 years. I thank you.